This is our master, Chef Cook, the young Chef Cook. Chef, bata. Wow. Tingnan nyo tong batang to. He's only 3 years old but he knows how to do the baking. He's following his dad. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Can you look at me first? Say hi. Bibiyo. Look at me first. Say hi. Hi. There. Smile. There. This is your second YouTube because last time you have your YouTube, the one that you're showering the plants. See, until now. Wow. Wow, he knows how to hold the roller. See? What is that? Review. What is that?
Do.
Do? Wow. You have to focus on your work first because I'm going to record this. Oh, you put also a flower? Wow. Oh, your rolling pin. You have to move forward so your bread there. Can you give a smile to the audience, to the viewers? Smile. So when you grow up, you wanna be a master chef, master baker? You want?
Mr. Baker, a construction worker.
How old are you now?
Okay.
Oh, 3 years old. Okay. You put flour again? Why? Hold the rolling pin. Yeah, the exact one, how to do it. Are you happy? Are you happy? Look at me. Are you happy?
Yes.
No? Still no?
Smile, 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 smile.
Beautiful eyes. First.
Pakit.
Pakute. There. Thank you so much. Slowly. Oh, he's rolling pin. There. Press the bread. Press it. There. Like that. Another one. There. Like that. Then roll. Why your mouth is open? Can you please close it?
Gabi na.
You're tired? Are you tired? Not tired? Huh? Look at me first. I'm talking to you. Baby, you look at tatay. There.
Dry na yung mood daw.
Say hi to your kuya. Hi, kuya. Say hi. Hmm.
What's this? Jackfruit. Jackfruit jam.
Hmm. Salata na. May kimiyara diri.
Tapan na tayo di sa dati.
Are you enjoying? Yes? Huh? No. Still no. Everything is no for you.
Your name is no. Wah!
Oh. Be careful. You might fall down. Okay?
Balik ka gamay lang yun.
Until now, you're not yet done. Say thank you now. Thank you.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
No, please. Oh.
Tell. Please subscribe.
No, please.
Baby, you tell them. Please subscribe. Okay. Awes.